There is a good view of the engineering cross-haired overlay of the data coming from the Progress vehicle as it closes in for a link up to the International Space Station. Currently, the Progress is about 4.5 kilometers away from the International Space Station and a link up. External truss cameras on the station now also picking up a view of the Progress vehicle that you see there. Just 5.5 hours ago, it was on the launch pad in Baikonur. Now it's completing its final approach for a link-up that will result in 2 Progress vehicles being at the International Space Station.
The range is 700 and the range rate.
A good view of the International Space Station from the external television camera on the Progress, as Progress and the International Space Station now just 600 meters apart from one another, flying over the South Pacific, moving from southwest to northeast in an orbit inclined 51.6 degrees to either side of the equator. You can see on the right side of the Progress that what appears to be a flashing light is actually a radio beacon that relays information back and forth to the comparable system on the Zvezda service module to help compute updated navigational information for the Progress and the Core's automated rendezvous system during this period of the fly-around and final approach. This high-definition view from the high-definition external viewer camera on the International Space Station, showing a spectacular view of the Progress as it approaches the west coast of South America at an altitude of 252 statute miles.
Okay, yes, it has.
At the time of contact and capture to the aft port of the Zvezda service module that you see almost in the middle of the crosshairs in this engineering external camera view from the Progress itself, the rate of closure will be about 1/10 of a meter per second.
The range is 118 meters, 0.6 is range rate. Copy, Alec. Copy.
Good view of the docking target.
4 meters is the range.
4 meters to go as we stand by for contact and capture of the International Space Station.
Copy, Alec. 3 meters. We have a little bit of roll. Copy, Alec. 2 meters is the range. Copy, 2 meters. 1 meter, we're standing by for the contact. Copy, 1 meter. Standing by for the contact. Contact.
Contact confirmed.
Indicator mode. All right, we can see this as well, Alec.
Capture confirmed. Docking confirmed at 5:52 p.m. Central Time. As Progress and the International Space Station flew 252 statute miles over the North Atlantic. 6 hours and 3 minutes from launch to docking for the newest resupply craft, now having arrived at the International Space Station.